Hey you guys, welcome back to Wheelie Media here at Authentic. My first time getting my possession on this thing. Nice vehicle here, Slingshot, 2016. It's not new, but it's fairly new, low miles, nice summer cruiser. Really light, it only weighs under 2,000 pounds, 1743 to be exact. Manual, everything's fiberglass, so it's super light. You know, there's nothing spectacular about it, just besides the point. It looks nice. It has nice suspension here. Look at this here. This is so awesome. I love backup camera. Oh, that's so nice. LED lighting in the back. You can see you from like, 100 feet away or so. Everything is fiberglass. There's nothing crazy about it because it's a summer vehicle. You know, it's to have fun, to show off. You know, everything about it is nice. You know, it's sleek. Got the Transformer look. You know, the wheels. By the way, this is kind of awesome. 18 in the front. Got their own logo here, Slingshot. 18's in the front. And look at this. This is nice. Nice 20-inch in the back. Really nice. Look at it. It's a nice look to the car. Lifts it up. I'm pretty sure the first thing you notice coming down that road, look at this front end. Now you gotta catch the whole front end because it's really wide. And driving it, you'll know how it feels. That's why the lighting is awesome. These things light up so bright. And by the way, it's custom remote start, LED lighting in this one as well. Now, we need 2 people for this one. We're gonna show you what's underneath the plastic here. We're gonna swing it out, lift it up, swing it out. That's just the engine bay of the car. No turbo. It still pushes out 173 horsepower. So it pushes out power for being light, and it has zip to it. You see the suspension, very nice suspension, of blending all the metal around it. So it's a very nice vehicle. You know, we keep it clean here. I mean, look at this speedo. Oh, it's nice, beautiful steering wheel. So it got the Transformer look, and it's awesome. The seats, the bucket seats. It's manual. And one more good option too. You got traction control. I don't know why you want that, but now we gotta ride this baby. But let me show you one thing. You have to have this installed in yours. So when you park it during the winter, you keep it charged in your battery. Oh, by the way, before we step in, you notice over here, you see the side steps over there. It gives it that when the water squirting there on the wheels or whatever. You got the covers. That's an awesome look. Come on, tell me that. That's not an awesome look. And the inside's completely protected, so if you get caught in the rain, you won't get it all messed up. Let's go sit in these beautiful bucket seats. Let's go. Take a look at that front end. Oh, you coming? Ready? Simple inside, as long as it got music. It's awesome. So now look, before we go riding, you see this windshield? It does a whole lot for us. Oh, it blocks the wind amazingly. Let's go. Car looks such like a Transformer. Look at them side review mirrors, Bristol. Look at that sign over there. That's the bridge. Welcome to Bristol. It's a cruiser. Gotta cruise gently, you know, you gotta let everybody see your face, what you're driving, what kind of machinery this is. You guys got motorcycles, now is the time. It's beautiful out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
You love that thing or what?
You wanna own it?
How much?
21? It ranges what you want for options.
Yeah.
So you get the faster ones, almost 30.
I'm kind of looking at them a little bit, but honestly, what do you think of it?
It's nice. I mean, for the summer ride.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice. But now you want fast speed. You gotta. This one doesn't have a turbo or nothing. You know, it's.
Because look at those go for like 30, right?
Yeah, the I believe it's the SL or something.
Okay. Yeah, I just started looking at it. But
Yeah, they nice rides.
yeah.
I mean, it depends on what kind of guy you are, you know.
Right. Right.
I'm a grease monkey gearhead, so.
Got it. All right. Cool. All right. Well, hey, be safe.
You too, man. Have a good day. Look at that Cadillac. Nice. Catch the guys, Bristol. Look at our nice view here. Water fountain. Right, we're here. You guys don't forget, like, share, subscribe, let everyone know about our cool videos. We can keep coming with these cool videos for you guys. Don't forget, authentic Wheelie Media. Like, share, subscribe once again. Let all your buddies know. Have a good day, fellas.